So I hope the camera is picking up what I see. I did this side, I did a preliminary buff, and then this side I haven't done. It's just dull and chalky. I'll pull it back in the garage and maybe you can see. Maybe that's better. So this is actually what I used on here was Adam's heavy correcting compound, just to get to an initial shine. And this is like matte finish over here. I can't tell on the little screen on the camera if it's picking it up, but it's a huge difference in person. Yeah, so you can actually see the reflection of the sky over here and nothing over there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the trunk here and let you guys see it. All right, so here is the test buff that I've been working on for the last several hours on the roof, and I've tried a lot of different combination of pads. I've been using the Rupes, and I'm starting to get some nice shine in it, as you can see the reflection. The paint, keep in mind this is a single stage enamel. This is not base clear, so it behaves differently. And what seems to work the best is the Adams correcting polish with the Rupes combined with the orange pads. Now this is a smaller, I believe this is a, I don't remember if this is Americana. But in this situation, what really works really good is the large pads, the 6-inch. I think this is an Adams, and I don't know what this one is. But anyway, you can see how disgusting the oxidation is, so it's taken a long time. This actually, it's not a Mako paint job, but I don't know what brand paint they use. But anyway, so now I'm a little encouraged. What I really want to come out good is the hood. I think it will, but I'm going to have to get my technique refined. I'm not so much worried about the sides. This is the sun side, but it's not as bad as the tops. Fairly nice shine on here. But anyway, so I'm pleased with the results. It is taking a lot longer than I anticipated, but that's okay. It's nice and smooth. This car really needs to be wet sanded. But I don't know if I want to invest that time right now when there's so much other stuff mechanically we need to do. So anyway, just giving you guys the update, and when I figure out the perfect combination, we're going to hit the hood, because this hood is really in need of some love. So anyway guys, hopefully you've enjoyed, and I think I'm pretty near what I'm going to be able to use on the rest of the car. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the next video.